Welcome! It's time to heat the kitchen and cook up healthy and delicious chicken tortilla soup that's sure to warm you up on a chilly day. This soup is a perfect combination of tender chicken, crispy tortilla strips, and a blend of spices. Do you know how can you make this chicken tortilla soup even healthier? Stay tuned till the end to find out. We're going to take one corn tortilla and cut her into strips. Let's start by heating a pan over medium heat and adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Fry the tortilla strips in the pan until they're crispy and golden brown. Don't overcrowd the pan while cooking the tortilla strips. Allow enough space between each strip for even cooking and a crispy texture. Next, we'll take an onion. Chop it into small cubes. Chop 3 garlic cloves into small pieces. And half of the jalapeno into small pieces. In a pot, we're going to heat a quart of olive oil over medium heat and add the onion, garlic, and jalapenos to the pot and fry until they're soft and translucent. Now we'll add the chicken breast, canned tomatoes, corn, black beans, and cilantro to the pot and mix everything together. Pour in the chicken broth and bring the soup to a boil. Add some salt, chili powder, and cumin, and give it a good stir. Reduce the heat and let it simmer for 25 minutes. This is a great time to sit back and relax for a few minutes. Do you have a favorite recipe for a warm, comforting soup? Share it with us in the comments below. After 25 minutes, remove the chicken breast from the pot and use 2 forks to shred it into small pieces. Shredding the chicken while it's still hot will make it easier to break apart and will result in tender and juicy shreds. Return the shredded chicken to the pot and squeeze in the juice of 1 lemon. Cook for an additional 5 minutes. Want to take your cooking to the next level? Join our Head Chef Premium Club for exclusive access, priority videos, and connecting with fellow foodies. Click the link in the description to become a member today. Add some crispy tortilla strips to the pot for added texture and flavor and stir it well. Finally, ladle the delicious soup into bowls and top each bowl with sliced avocado and a sprinkle of cilantro or jalapenos if you like a little extra heat and make it healthier. And there you have it, a comforting and delicious chicken tortilla soup that's perfect for any day of the week. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more recipe videos, and leave us a comment below to let us know what you think of this recipe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the following video.